Okay, so y'all, I am starting out with this hat. So anyway, it's a hat like this. So y'all, we're not gonna use this. We're gonna take that off. I wanted to keep the black and white on this hat. So I am gonna be using this black and white striped, I think I got this one, Hobby Lobby. I did cut me a piece here, I think. Yes, I want this to be the front. Okay, so I'm just gonna place this around. Okay, so I think, let me see how I'm gonna glue this down. I've got to glue it down. Let me, I gotta get this, put that down there. I'm just gonna, I gotta get this from moving around so much. So I'm just kind of dabbing the glue here and there. Okay, so I'm just tacking it down with some glue. I'm gonna cut these off later, but not right now. Okay, so y'all, this is what we look like so far. And see, it had this black trim there. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it. I thought about pulling it out, but I like it. I like the black trim with the black and white stripe. All right, now we're gonna use the rose gold tonight, y'all, on this hat. We're gonna use rose gold bling, but I'm putting some flowers. I just had some stray, just flowers here. I just had all these flowers, so I'm just using what I have. But yeah, so we're gonna bling these up. So we're gonna put this one, dazzling up our little flowers. Y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and use, it's a brooch, so it's got the pin in the back. I'm gonna go ahead, instead of gluing it, I think I'm gonna attempt to fasten it in here. I think it'll work. But isn't that pretty? I love that flower. So that's what we're gonna go with. This is gonna be our probably our focal point. And then so I have these flowers, but anyway, this is this. So we're gonna use this one, this piece here. I'm gonna just hot glue it, y'all. Can y'all see what I'm doing? I got this. I need 3. I think that will work. Okay, so I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna do, let's see. So here's another flower that we've got ready to go. Y'all, look at this. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. I want something that is kind of, I'm gonna kind of arrange these flowers kind of to the side, kind of in the center, kind of in the side. So I need a little bit of something else to go with these flowers. So I thought I'm gonna get some black tulle and I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make something to go with these flowers. So y'all, it's gonna be hard to see this tulle, but all I'm doing is taking this, yeah, it's gonna be hard, taking this tulle and just kind of almost trying to make a bow with it, but not really. I'm just folding it as big as I want it. I'm gonna gather it right here. I think you can see it. I'm gonna gather it right here and just as tall as I want it on the side. I think this will work. Right. I'm gonna leave kind of a tail because I do want it to come over my brim a little bit. So I'm gonna make several of these. I'm just gathering all 4 of these little pieces that I cut, and like I said, I just folded them over and just cut what I wanted. So I'm just gonna take some twine, and it's not gonna matter what color this is because it's going gonna get hidden with our flowers. So that's what we look like, and that's this right there. I just needed a little something to, I'll show you here in a minute. I just needed to go with this. So this is kind of what we've got going on here. You can't really see that tool very well, but I think I may put another little layer right there. Let me go with that. Got like a big poofy black thing right there. So we are going to add our flowers, and this is going to be our big flower that's going to go in the middle. So that's what we look like so far. So I'm going to put some more flowers here on each side. Hope that don't come off. I have to glue it down. So add this little leaf on here first. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, y'all. So this is what we have so far. Isn't that cute? Let's put a little bit of pizzazz in there. Why not? Why not? Ooh, I like that. We're going with that. I'm just putting these little feathers in there. Actually, I think I'm gonna put these together and possibly, I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I like that. We are going to jazz this thing all up. So we got some little feathers going on there. So cute, y'all, so cute. So I'm gonna put a little bit of greenery right there too. All right, so we got all this going on, and isn't that piece pretty? Oh my goodness, I think my light, you can see it. So we are going to, I don't know, we may be able to fasten this. Okay, so what am I going to do with these? Let me, I think I'm going to cut these a little. Okay, y'all, this is the back of the hat. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, I love that. Isn't that pretty? All right, y'all, I think that's our hat. So we got all our bling, and we got some feathers, and here's that. It's kind of hidden back there, but hey, we put some little bling on that. So what do y'all think? I think it's cute.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.